I don't know what it is.
I think it's an Anhinga, but I don't.
No.
Fair.
That's not a bittern, is it?
Oh,
There's
maybe
no
It
way.
might be a bittern.
If that's a well, no, that looks like a bittern. That's a
It's a
bittern.
bittern.
That's cool.
We saw one of these one time way over there.
This is literally like the best day ever.
Yeah, and they're usually hiding back in the cover.
I never get to talk about this stuff with people, so.
Well, you could talk to him all day long.
It's a bird on a bird feeder.
Oh, how adorable.
There's this lady, her business name is Pretty Grievances, and she makes these and a whole bunch of other really cool earrings. And I got these at like the holiday fair at the TD Convention Center, where she like has her booth set up and stuff. And I always wear them.
Something grievances?
Pretty grievances, like petty grievances, but
Yeah.
pretty.
Oh, those are adorable. Yeah, there, here's them.
Oh yeah. Mm-hmm.
He just standing there?
He doesn't even know how special he is.
No.
Or maybe he does, and that's why he's standing there right where we can see him. He's like, oh, look at me.
Right, flowers too.
All the kids like Oh, look at that.
Oh, he's wiggling.
Really,
Look at that motion.
Oh, he's wiggling.
look at his eye.
They're so intense.
Yeah, look at
Pigment bloom notification. I should get this guy with the like trees in front.
Ooh, yeah.
Yes, that's a good shot.
I should take another shot. Ooh, that's a good angle.
Yeah, now you can see the yellow on the side of
Look at him with his little feet.
Oh, he moved. Oh, no, he didn't.
What are you going after, buddy?
You think he's hunting?
Mm-hmm.
his eye on something.
He is ready.
Well, I have a cracked picture. Well, it's okay. There.
That's not bad, yeah.
Oh, it's moving along. You got it.
Yay! Good job. Is that a little crawfish? Yeah.
Hey, show your neck. He's eating.
He dropped it.
Dropped it? Oh, no.
Oh, you got it. Pretty chewy. Did he swallow the whole
Yep,
thing?
he did.
Oh. Well, they don't have their neck all stretched out. They kind of got like a hawkish figure.
Oh, your binoculars are fabulous.
But I never forget.
Do you want to see?
Oh, I got him.
Yes?
Underestimate.
Do you have food? No.
Carrying anything.
He's climbing down the branch. Like, you see where there's like that tree stump that kind of goes up like a little upside down line? He's right next to it to the left. But he's looking right at us, so you can't tell by the
Oh,
beak
he's,
at all.
yeah, you just see him as a dot.
Little pinpoint.
Yeah,
It's very fun.
I know.
Guys are on the shoreline there.
Yeah.
Staring at us.
Is he staring?
Hey, staring heron.
Oh, two.
Oh, there he is. Talk about Flat Stanley.
Yeah.
Alright. I just love seeing him in the nest.
I love that.
That's
I
our
believe that.
Alright.
Yeah.
Yeah.
How old are you again?
Yes.
7.
You're 25.
I think there was like a couple months I was on the OGDO server where I was 17.
At the grinder notification? That's oh yeah. Aw. Clay moved. He's looking around.
Just looking at us. It's really good to know that this is here though, because I can come back and see babies. And he's done.